nGeniusONE ASI technology gives you complete visibility of your enterprise UC&C, showing critical metrics indicative of what is impacting the quality of your user experience. As well as reports, service status can be seen on the nGeniusONE dashboard, with percentage of calls degraded and, more interestingly, QoS mismatch and single direction calls. In this case, 18% degraded calls, 10% QoS mismatch, and 4% single direction. But we'll want to drill into these to see what are the QoS settings, which locations or devices are the cause, where the single direction calls are coming from, and at the same time establish which codecs are in use. All of these factors may contribute to poorer than expected quality. Drilling down to Media Monitor from here reveals a clear picture of what's going on. Media Monitor presents all the calls as a sortable and extendable list of metrics shown for each location: number of active and completed calls, QoS mismatch, single direction calls, short calls, and MOS degradation percentages. Sorting by completed calls give a view of the busiest locations or trunks and gateways, in this case SIP trunk gateway 2. Sorting by single direction streams gives us worst locations experiencing one-way calls, in this case Toronto. And San Jose has a problem with short calls, often a sign that there are quality issues and people hang up and redial to hopefully get a better connection. The QoS mismatch percentage gives us the locations with the worst QoS mismatch score, and by looking along the columns correlated MOS degradation issues, where the QoS mismatch is affecting call quality. In this case, Seattle calls all have QoS mismatch. All are being affected by packet loss. We can also use this to see the QoS policies in force. Extending this view by QoS location keys and setting direction to both in and out presents the QoS in each direction. Working down the list, Skype San Jose, same QoS in and out, but it's not prioritized. They are both set to 0 or best effort. London, the same. SBC 1045 are the same, but this time prioritized correctly at 46 or high priority or EFQ. Then on to San Jose, there's a difference. Best effort out of San Jose and high priority into San Jose. 100% of the calls are QoS mismatched, and not surprisingly, all of them affected by packet loss. In the same way, we can look at codecs and see what locations are using which codecs. Westford is using G711 and G722, Washington G729, the SIP trunks G711, and so on. This allows us to really understand what was planned in terms of codec configuration and service design versus what was actually deployed in the infrastructure. In summary, nGeniusONE quantifies misconfigurations for all the locations and components. This allows IT to prioritize what needs to be done, when and where to clean up these issues and restore quality to as good as it can get. Additionally, don't forget to leverage the rich nGeniusONE reporting engine, which has service summary, usage, and bandwidth trending, allowing you to take advantage of nGeniusONE analytics to streamline UC&C service quality.